Na-excite kami sa ano mo, Sarah.
Ayan, so yun po yun, di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina doon sa aking presentation. Kaya po ako na-challenge na i-hit yung 2% CPE kasi yun po yung requirement para po ay bigyan kami ng incentive na all expense paid papunta ng Dubai. Di ba, sir? At habang tayo ay nag-uusap dito, biglang nag-pop up yung aking email at ito na siya.
Oh,
Yan nyo ha. Grabe sir ito. Nako, sabi ko. Hindi ako hindi ako mapakali, hindi ako Yan sir, nakita niyo oh. Ngayon po ay 3:24 PM dito sa Italy at dumating po itong nag-pop up sa akin ng 3:09. So sabihin na natin na 15 minutes ago at ito na sir yung invitation. Ayan, nakita mo sir.
oh, grabe ah.
Congratulations,
Oh.
you have qualified for the Stratify qualification meet Dubai. Ayan. Dear Mr. Eddie, congratulations. We are delighted to inform you that you have successfully qualified for the exclusive Stratify Qualification Meet Dubai as part of our new market development program by achieving the required 2% or 3.5% CPA qualification during the month of May. As a qualified participant, you will enjoy along with plus one Plus one, sir, kasi kasama ang asawa namin, kasama namin. You can bring
Wow,
your plus one invited. Okay. 3 nights and 4 days in Dubai accommodation at a luxurious star-rated property.
grabe.
One standard room for 2 adults, twin or king-size bed depending on the availability. Exclusive training, networking, and leadership session. Opportunity to connect with top-performing leaders and emerging market builders. Meet details. Ito na sir, binigyan niyo yung date. Check-in 13th July, check-out 16th July. So 3 days and 4 nights kasi yan. Location, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Okay. Flight reimbursement. Your round-trip flight tickets will be reimbursed upon successful completion and attendance of the meet subject to the event guidelines and reimbursement policy. So, ang sabi sa amin, sir, kami muna yung magbabayad ng ticket namin papunta. Din pag nandun na, doon po na nila ibibigay yung pinambayad namin ng ticket. Okay? Round trip Round trip economic class airfare is included. Any and all other travel related expenses shall be borne by the participant. Please note that any visa application fees, processing charges, and related immigration expenses, travel costs, and fro airport and other travel costs shall be the sole responsibility of the qualifier and must be borne directly by the participant. Confirmation required. To secure your seat, please reply to this email with I accept the invitation. Wow, grabe yan. Your confirmation is required or on or before 10th June to allow us to proceed with hotel reservation and meeting. Congratulations once again, and we look forward to receiving your confirmation. Grabe yun, sir! Grabe yun! I accept the
Grabe.
Wow.
Ah. Congratulations, sir.
Grabe
Sir,
naman yan. Sana all.
Yes,
Sir
ma'am. Kaya
Eddie.
sinabi ko sa inyo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this company is hindi ako yung saya ko talaga sir, hindi ako talaga dahil sa binigay na sa atin na na blessing. Grabe sir.
Sana lahat ng mga nag-Zoom ngayon, i-carry ni Sir Eddie. Joke.
Yan. Mangyayari din po sa inyo yan. Ayan. I accept the invitation. Accepted. Okay, sir, nakita niyo sir yung sinasabi
Ang
ko.
ganda.
Kaya ko talaga trinabaho nung May kasi yun po yung requirement to 2% CPA to 3.5%. Actually, yung 2% mas madali kaysa sa 3.5 kasi yung 3.5 medyo mahirap yan eh. Makuha 200,000 team investment yan. Pero yung 2% CPA, 50,000 team investment at yun nga po yung nagawan ko ng paraan. Grabe sir,
Sir,
grabe.
yung requirements na to share, yun lang ba or kailangan makuha mo rin yung ano?
No, 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 no. Wala sir. Team investment yan na walang kinalaman yung share sir. Ito ay sa team investment to kahit na $10 lang yan, $100, basta accumulated yun sir, team investment.
Oh,
Grabe yun sir. Grabe naman po.
Magandang makasali sana sa dyan. Masarap pa
First
makasali
time
dyan.
ko, first time ko, sir, na sa tagal ko nag-network, sir, ngayon lang ako nakaranas ng ganitong incentive, sa totoo lang. Imagine mo yan, sir, all expense paid yan, ha, yun lang, ang ano lang, yung lang visa, mura lang naman ang visa kasi nakapunta na kami ng Dubai nung sa Crowd 1. Yun lang, tapos yung siyempre, meron na kami nakausap doon na magiging service namin. Usually nga, baka may service pang ibibigay sa amin kasi doon sa Crowd 1, yung mga top leaders, limousine daw naging service nila doon. Pero kahit nawala yun, sir, meron na kaming ano, kasi meron na kaming nakausap na pastor doon na magdadrive sa amin habang nandun kami at okay naman daw. Okay ba yon? Okay ba yung company natin?
Okay na
Grabe, sir.
okay.
Ayun pala, magdiwang na kayo dahil nandito kayo sa napakagandang kumpanya. Grabe yon. Wala na akong masabi. As in. Kayo ang unang nakasaksi nito, hindi pa alam ito ng mga ibang leaders ko. Kayo po yung unang nakakita nitong incentive na ito. Dahil nga ongoing webinar natin, biglang nag-pop up sa akin yung message. Kaya grabe, sir. Sir Jan, I'm very happy for this.
Grabe. Congratulations, sir. Talagang masaya ako para sa'yo.
Yan.
Ano,
Mararating din po ninyo.
oh,